Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. So today, Bruiser and I, with a glass of wine, are going to be reviewing the Fabfitfun box. I'm gonna have to sit you down. So this is the spring Fabfitfun box. Before I get started on all of the things that are in here, first I'm going to show you the add-ons that I chose this month. So the first thing that I chose was this Glam Glow Youth Mud Tingle Exfoliate Treatment. I totally said that wrong. I hate when brands like combine words. Maybe that's just me. Anyways, this was $14 US from the add-ons, and I actually had an add-on credit, which is why I purchased this. However, when I got this in the box, this was a lot smaller than I thought. Looking at the amount of product in here, I think this might last me like 3-4 masks tops, which to me probably isn't worth it. So I was a little bit disappointed in this add-on size, but that was definitely my fault for not looking at the actual size before purchasing. The second thing that I purchased, which is unbelievably loud, are these resistance bands. I don't know if it's just me, but Fabfitfun hasn't been doing a lot of the whole like fit side of products lately, or at least products that I can actually work out with regularly. So I do have some resistance bands, but they don't have the handles. So these were $7 and seem really good for like an at-home workout. Let's get into the items now that everyone got. So opening up this box, I really like the design. First off, I love this green with the woman and the cartoons. I like how some of the items that are inside the box are actually included on the outside as like a fun little spoiler, and you can see inside it's all like cactus print, which is super cute. So as per usual, when you get the box, you get their magazine, which I've never read, but it's great because this magazine has the estimated prices of all of the items in here, so there is some purpose. So if I'm reading here what's in the box, the value is estimated at $347 to $354. So let's see what the value is of each of these products. Okay, so the first item I saw in this box are these adorable earrings, and I say they're adorable because I actually chose these. These are one of the customizable items that you were able to choose. I'm not an annual member, so I'm not able to choose all of the items in the box. However, I was able to choose these earrings. So you had the option of choosing the pink fringe, the black fringe, and love bracelets. I believe it was like a thin bracelet that said love on it. I chose the pink because I'm light haired, so I thought it would fit in a little bit more as opposed to the dark would be a little bit too harsh, a bit of a contrast. However, I have a friend who has dark hair and she chose the black ones for the opposite reason. So I need to try these on now. I absolutely am obsessed with tassel earrings. I've been ordering so many from cheap places like H&M and Forever 21, so these definitely seem like a more upscale pair. These are valued at $58, so not gonna lie, I've never spent $58 on a pair of costume earrings. These are cute though. So these are the $58 Atika Daydreamer tassel earrings. I do think they're very pretty. $58 seems quite expensive for a pair of earrings that doesn't feel like substantially better than Forever 21 quality. However, because they came in this box, I didn't pay $58 for them, so I think that they're really cute and perfect for the spring. So the next item, let's just pull it out now. The next item in here is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. Now, from other reviews I watched, I heard that Ish is a brand that's owned by Fabfitfun or has made this specifically for Fabfitfun. So I have not actually heard of the brand before. However, I do have some thoughts on this item. Before I give my thoughts, I should see it first. Comes with nice protective packaging. It smells absolutely atrocious. Oh my god, that smells like something that would come from the dollar store. Okay, so here is the lip palette. This palette is valued at $42. So let's swatch a couple of these shades and see what you think. I'm gonna go right into that red. That's actually really nice pigmentation. Let's go into a peach, a lighter color. Again, nice pigmentation. Okay, here's my thing. This actually does seem like a nice little palette that has some good pigmentation to it. I just don't think this is the type of item I would be expecting in a Fabfitfun box, simply because it's not practical. Like for someone like me who's out 12, 14 hours in a day, it's not practical for me to carry this in my bag for a single lip color. It's practical for me to carry a lipstick, like the lipstick that I'm wearing, instead of 12 lipsticks, only one of which I'm wearing. I get how lip palettes are really good for professionals, people who are actually makeup artists, but I think for the everyday woman, it's not that practical. Also, the colors here are pretty basic. There's two like fire hydrant reds, there's a classic pink, there's nudes, there's peaches. Like there's nothing that wows me in this palette, and chances are if you're already spending $60 on a Fabfitfun box, you probably are into makeup because you always get a couple makeup items. You probably have at least a couple of these lipstick colors already that you're going to go to instead of carrying around this entire palette that's from a brand that you don't know. It just all around seems like a very impractical item, and I'm a little bit disappointed that it's in the Fabfitfun box, simply because it's something that I'm never going to use, and I don't even want to regift it to somebody because it seems impractical for really any average working woman to wear. Like imagine I'm going out to the bar, what, I'm gonna pack this with me and carry it with me all night in my purse that is literally this size? Like this to me just seems like a very impractical last minute, like, oh, we need to add something more into this box, let's use this palette because, you know, every woman likes lipstick, but every woman doesn't want a lipstick palette. So this to me is a total flop. Just a little wine break after that rant. Okay, the next item is this Rachel Pally clutch. I don't know what color I got, so I'm very excited. These all looked cute. Okay, I got the color I didn't want. This is actually quite cute though. It's a mustard color. Inside it has like an orange fabric with floral print. You can see it has a little tassel charm. It actually is quite cute. One benefit to this is that you could fit your damn lip palette in here and carry it around on a night out. This is cute. I do like it. It definitely seems like something floral for the spring. It's probably not something I would buy on my own, simply because when you feel the leather, it's sort of like you could have bought this from somewhere really nice and paid too much money for it. You also could have bought this from a Target bin. So it's, I'm iffy on it. It is cute though, and I probably will use it. I just wouldn't have bought it for myself, which is definitely a lot of people's issues with buying a subscription box or a Fabfitfun box in the first place, is a lot of the items are cute, but they're not something you would buy for yourself, which has its pros and cons. So this is the cute little clutch. And that clutch is valued at $60. It is the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch in Bloom. And I really like this cute pink one more. Okay, next up, wow, there's actually a lot in this box. As much as I may bitch, there is a lot in this box. So next up is the Henderson Lily Sunset Collection in, I got Super Bloom. And so Super Bloom is basil, tangerine, leaf, violet, geranium, lily. Let's just smell it. I absolutely love candles. I have too many candles. However, I'm not opposed to more candles. This is such a cute little candle holder. The smell isn't anything special. I'm not gonna lie. I probably have Bath & Body Works candles that smell better. But I will burn this. This is very like classic. Like I'm not going for like a cupcake, birthday cake, I am trash. I'm going for my like a classic lady, I have my shit together. Plus, a benefit of this is I will totally use this container to hold my makeup brushes, so win-win. This is nice. Not worth $45, but it's nice. Next up is the Dermalite, Dermalite Cosmic Cuticles, another combination word. What are you doing, Fabfitfun? Makeup Concealing Ridge Filler. I don't have that nice of nails because I am constantly writing and typing on my computer. So let's see if this can fill some of my ridges. Let's pick the ugliest nail. This one's pretty ugly. While we wait for this to dry, let's read the instructions. It says, keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with proteins, vitamins, and moisturizer, and it is worth $18. It really smells like, and this is kind of weird to admit, I used to bite my nails a lot when I was younger, so my mother would make me put on this nail polish that was supposed to like deter children from biting their nails. That's what it smells like. Maybe I'm just scarred. It's nice. It looks like a top coat. I'll probably use it as a top coat. Let's go on to an item I will be positive about. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. So essentially it's a moisturizer, but let's try it out anyways. This is valued at $40. I see this brand at Sephora all the time. It's really expensive. Everyone loves their products. And honestly, if this item wasn't in the box, I probably would have been like very, very disappointed. Oh my gosh, that is a lovely moisturizer. It's really light. It's not oily. I have combination skin, so this seems like an absolutely perfect like home run moisturizer for me in the sense that I can put it on in the morning, still put on my makeup, and it's not going to be oily or greasy. So 10 out of 10, a win for me. Next up are these KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. I do a lot of masks. I do hair masks, foot masks, feet masks, whatever. I haven't actually done a lip mask, but my lips are always dry, and these seem super fun. They're valued at $24.99. You only get 5 of them in here, so I'm going to use these like gold. You know that a product's like expensive when it comes in like really sturdy, like pretty packaging that you can keep reusing for other less pretty things. You had the option between this and a body moisturizer. Fabfitfun just had that hand and foot cream last season, so I still am using that. I didn't need another body cream, so I chose these, and I'm actually really excited to try them out. And let me know down below if you want me to give you a little review on these. I can just answer it in the comments because I'm sure I will try these out once I take off all this makeup. Okay, next up, a sleeping mask. Again, kind of like the lip palette. This is a weird item. This is a Free People collaboration with Understated Leather Story-Eyed Travel Mask valued at $40. I don't know who the hell would pay $40 for an eye mask, but me. I have a Moschino eye mask, so me. Because I have that Moschino eye mask, I probably don't need this one, but it does come with these little cooling, let me see if I can get them out. Okay, I can't get it out, but it's like a cooling insert, so I guess you can put something cooling on your eyes, and it's vegan leather, which just seems very fancy. Let's try it out. Oh, I can't. Okay. I couldn't hold it on my face because of my fake eyelashes, but it seems like a very hefty mask. Like this is like I am lying down, I want a deep sleep. I might use this. It just, you know what? It doesn't seem like a very personalized, Fabfitfun, unique item. It's like if you needed a sleeping mask, you probably would have owned one by now. Like I don't think that this $40 vegan cooling sleeping mask is going to like convert all Fabfitfun users to start sleeping with this. It sort of seems like an item that you might sleep with once and then toss on your bedside table or drawer and just let it get like buried under shit and never use this again. It doesn't seem like Fabfitfun like curated this just for spring. This is more like we needed to throw something in again. Oh, we've hit the last item. Okay, maybe there wasn't as much in there as I thought. Okay, this is a massage roller. It is a Physique 57 massage roller valued at $20, which I mean, I've seen them before cheaper, but again, I won't keep questioning the prices they put on these things. So that does feel nice. I'm gonna get my back. You know what? Okay, this is actually really, really nice. I quite enjoy this. I'm gonna keep doing this as I close up the video. I also, looking down, could have gotten a cuter color in this. I could have gotten a blue or a purple. This is a win. I like this. This is fun. I'll use this. So let's conclude. Was this box worth it? Let's hit our favorites versus our non-favorites first. So this massage roller, totally a win. These earrings, definitely a win, but overpriced. The lip masks, probably a win, however expensive again. The Murad cream, totally a win, even though I have like 3 moisturizers sitting on my counter right now. I'll eventually get to this one, so let's call that a win too. The ones that I'm kind of indifferent on, the clutch, I'll use it. It'll go with an outfit and I'll probably get a compliment on it, even though there's like a million other basic bitches now with the same clutch. It is cute. The nail perfector, I have ugly nails, so anything that will make them look nicer, probably a win. Does this one nail look that much better than the others? I don't think so, but again, indifferent. The candle. Candle I'm indifferent on. A $40 candle seems incredibly extravagant. However, it's nice. It makes me seem like I kind of have my shit together, so that's cool. Things I hate. That stupid lip palette. That lip palette is horrible. Shame on you, Fabfitfun people, for just throwing in a random item that you know that girls probably won't end up using because we already have enough lipsticks and don't want to carry around an entire palette. I know that other big brands such as like ABH and Makeup Forever make lip palettes, but those are for professionals. Like, if you've seen any review, like I'm really thinking off the top of my head, the ABH palette, everyone's biggest complaint was like, yes, these are beautiful colors, but I'm not going to carry around this entire palette, and if I want to like mix colors, I'm not going to do that in like the women's washroom on campus. That just seems a little bit ridiculous. So while yeah, it seems like a pretty nice high quality palette, I would much rather have you thrown in like 2 or 3 of these lipsticks and just been like, here you go, instead of this very impractical palette. And the Free People mask. First off, not worth $40. I don't know how many times I can say in this video things aren't worth the estimated price, but that was not worth $40. Also, I like this as a little stick. I think, again, what I said before, if you want to use an eye mask and want to sleep with an eye mask, chances are you would have purchased said eye mask before you purchased a $60 Fabfitfun box every season. I just don't see it as something that like people are going to be jumping up and down for and needing, and it does seem a little bit lazy. So at the end of the day, there were enough items in this box that I liked. However, I do get a little bit pissed off at other people's laziness, especially a service that I am paying for. It does seem a little bit lazy to just throw in items that don't really seem like spring-ish to me, and don't really seem like personalized to me, don't seem like personalized to the average like woman who's into Fabfitfun. Like, it just seems like a bit of a lazy item. Imagine this was tea and not alcohol. It's definitely not one of my favorite boxes. I think I like the winter box a lot more and I was a lot more excited. I did end up looking at the spoilers for this box before I opened it, and I've got to say it wasn't that like overly excited feeling I had knowing all these items. Like, usually I am tracking that Fabfitfun box, like looking on Canada Post, like checking to see when it's coming. This time I was just kind of like, like when it came in the mail, I was like, oh, what is this? Like, what did I get today? Not like, oh my god, my Fabfitfun box is here, like I usually have been in the past. So yeah, that was a bit of a disappointment. I know I'm not the only one saying this, so I do hope that Fabfitfun does better. So let me know, did you order your Fabfitfun box? Did you like these items? Did you get different items than me? Do you think I'm absolutely crazy for bitching about a lip palette so much? Please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you next time.